So I'm trying to do an Egyptian Ankh. I messed up, I think, but I don't know. I'm trying to cut it in this area right here. But I need to cut all the way to here, at least. I messed up here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to bend it back down. Because it had that on the other side. I didn't realize it. Yeah, I'm cheap. I use recycling parts. What's the whole purpose of doing something if you always have to find it in a hardware store or do stuff like that? You gotta be like Tony Stark in Iron Man 1. Be able to do stuff in a cave. Even though he cheated also because he had everything he needed to build the suit. So, okay. Here's the first part of it. I'll post the other part when I finish cutting it. This is Luis Martinez in Baytown, Texas. Subscribe to my channel, press like, leave a comment.